the trade has been going better than expected. So I was looking at euro dollar, stepping back to take the long-term view, and I noticed that it looked like an uptrend, since we're having higher highs, since this is higher than this, and higher lows, since this is higher than this, and this is higher than this, as well as these highs being higher than these highs. And if that pattern continues, this should go above 160. Either way, it should at least go up. Maybe 140. I can also use indicators like, say, the RSI, which basically moves from about 30 to 70. So 80 would be very overbought, and 25 normally would be very oversold. The idea being that we look for things which are in a trend. So if I'm saying that this is in an uptrend, I wait till the RSI is down to about 30 and buy. And then wait till it gets to maybe 70 and sell. That would be the basic philosophy. So here, well, the RSI was only down to about 40. At this stage, it went down to 30. Did it reach 30? Low 30s. Here was actually lower than here, but the RSI didn't go down as much. So that would be called a positive divergence. Here we were down to 22. So this, if you were just looking at the RSI, would be a buy signal. So if we'd bought there at, say, 106.4, it would have gone down a little bit more. So say 104, at which point we'd be worrying and going, oh, why did I buy? It's going down and down and down. But then things would turn around, and over here the RSI went up to mid-60s. Now this is going up, and I've changed the stop loss that I break even, which is always handy. Actually, I'm thinking more of changing. That basically, I don't want to buy and then hold for 4 years. Instead, I want to change my time frame. Maybe more go to daily. And, say buy here, hold on, ride this, not be bothered since the stop loss is around there. I'm not worried that that's going to be hit. So this might have been a target. I could move the stop loss up to here. I have to decide. I'm just going to look at this a bit more. Is there a... So that looks like an interesting level. 118. So take profit there. The idea being that, okay, maybe in the long term it's heading up a lot higher. But if I got to sell at an RSI of 70 something, I can wait, expecting a pullback and an opportunity to buy again from a lower level. So that's the basic game plan I'm going for at the moment. Still happy with euro dollar. Euro's actually looking pretty strong at the moment. And this looks like a good trade. I'd like to recommend another channel. It's called Conquer Trading and Investing. I've been following that for the last couple of weeks, and it's just excellent. There, he every morning analyzes the markets, and he goes through things like silver, gold, euro dollar, the S&P, and various interesting trades. He's patient, far more than myself. So he'll look at a trade, see, oh, I'd like to buy it. I'm waiting till it pulls back, perhaps to this level. And most of the things he'll look at won't be a trade, but he'll keep an eye on them, so that when the opportunity comes, he's ready. So he's not reacting. He's not going, oh, this is going up, I'll buy it now. He waits. For example, like here, if this was today, what would you do? You might be tempted to say, oh, there's a bit of action there, it's pulling back up there. Or, this is a downtrend, sell. But if you sold here, you're going to get less profit than if you'd sold when the RSI was up here. So there are many opportunities. So basically, keep disciplined and wait. And by checking multiple trades every morning, he's giving himself a fighting chance to enter trades at the right level, which I know is the right thing to do, but I also know I don't always do. And so basically I like watching that channel to basically remind me of the things that I already knew, which will hopefully be hammered into my head. But he's far better than that, because he analysed, and he has a lot of content. I think there must be a playlist here where he spent a lot of time analysing Bitcoin and basically how that works. So I'd heard about Bitcoin, but I really didn't know about it. But it's only due to his analysis and his content that I kind of have a feeling that, okay, this is how Bitcoin works. And now is actually a great time to get Bitcoin. If you watch those videos, you know why. He also has an associated course, which looks excellent. Though I haven't done it yet. I'd recommend, though, checking out this channel, because it'll really help. It should really help for trading. Markets are in a really interesting situation with incredible opportunities. Actually, it was this channel where he was going on about silver for a good while, which is why I have silver, why I have Bitcoin. So check it out.